Here's how to multiply fractions. Suppose I want to multiply 1/4 times 2/5. We could think of this as 1/4 of 2/5. And I can draw a rectangle representing a unit, and then I can divide that into fifths, like this. So each of these strips represents 1/5, and so here these two strips at the bottom represent 2/5, and then I want 1/4 of 2/5. So if I divide the unit rectangle into quarters, so the vertical strips are each a quarter, so then 1/4 would be, say, this strip on the left. So if I shade, let's pick a different color. So let's shade the 2/5 in red. So that's my 2/5, and then maybe let's pick green. I'll shade 1/4 of 2/5 in green. Okay, so what am I doing here? Let's go back to yellow. Total number of little rectangles that I've got in my big unit rectangle, there's 5 along this side and 4 along this side. So I've got 4 times 5, I've got 20 little rectangles, and I've shaded 2 of them in green. And we could think of obtaining the number 2 by multiplying 1 in this direction and 2 in this direction. So 1 times 2. So what I've done there is I've multiplied this number by this number to get this number. That comes to 2. And then I've multiplied this number and this number to get what goes in the denominator of the answer, 20. So the way to multiply fractions is to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. And this diagram here that I've drawn represents an intuitive understanding of why we multiply the numerators and the denominators. And then all that's left is for me to simplify my answer if necessary. So 1/4 times 2/5 comes to 1/10.